All right, you probably noticed that we have it working, and actually our self-steering is working. So when you add a caster angle the way we did, it adds some trail to the steering so that it self-centers. So I just want to show you that real quick. Uh, Watch when it first starts, it will turn to the left, and then as it gets going, it'll self-steer straight. Let me move this ground a little bit. So watch how that works. So it goes, and then it starts to straighten out. And that's a result of the self-steering. Because we don't actually have any steering set up. So but we're going to set that up in this lecture. And we're going to do that with a steer motor. So I'm going to copy this steering axle empty. And so let's select it and press Shift D. Then we want to move it along the Z axis, the local Z axis. So double press Z, and now we can move it up along the Z axis. Now the motor is going to be about the X axis, so let's rotate it about the Y, R, Y, 90. Oops, we need to do R double Y 90. Like let's do R double Y negative 90, so it points up, so our X axis is pointing up. And then let's name this. We're going to call it steering motor. And let's come over here and change it from a hinge to a motor. It's going to be an angular motor. And we'll do a target velocity of 1, that's fine. And a max impulse, we're just going to make that kind of arbitrarily high at 1,000. All right, let's save it. And let's test it out and see if it actually steers. And it does, it steers to the right. Let's make the target velocity -1 and see if it steers to the left. And it does. So it looks like our steering motor is working. We're going to have to change it or update it later on so that we can steer it more proportionally.